For solar photovoltaic installations, Ctube not only offers solar conduits but also provides a wide range of fittings to complete the electric systems. The accessories include bands, elbows, adapters, couplings, junction boxes, adapter boxes, etc. These fittings mainly serve three functions: wires and cables protection. The fittings along with conduits to provide a barrier that protects cables from environmental factors and physical damage. Cable management. These accessories help organize and manage the cable within the conduit system, reducing the risk of tangling or interference. Connection and adaptability. The accessories facilitate secure connection between various components of the system and enable adaptability to different installation scenarios. Ctube's solar conduit fittings are made of PVC material and have a long service life. They pass the UV, extreme temperatures, UL 1904 tests, and obtained AS/NZS 2053, IEC, and CE certificates, ensuring the reliability, safety, and durability for solar installations. Ctube, your reliable choice every time.